Hi, viewer, in today's video we are visiting the Tata Santorini by TATA Value Homes. It's a residential property located in Poonamallee, Chennai. This is the grand entrance to the project. This project provides an opportunity to own a home with a Spanish-inspired design. This is the entrance lobby to a 1 BHK model home. Now, let's take a look at the 1-bedroom model flat. This is the living area. The living area comes with an attached balcony. To our left is the modular kitchen. This is the 1-bedroom. As you can see, it is brightened by natural light. In addition, this room has an attached bathroom. This is a 1-bedroom model flat. If you are interested in the project, please call the given number. The project is thoughtfully designed and focused on greenery, spread over an area of 18 acres with a lush green landscape. This property is set in an ideal location and has great connectivity to other major destinations in the city. Now, let us take in the view of the Podium Garden from the third floor balcony. The project is well structured and engineered. You can see the exterior of the towers in the Podium Garden from here. The garden is big enough to relax in and get some fresh air. If you're interested in buying the flat, please contact the given number.